Welcome to English Podcast for You. I'm Maria, and I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's learn together and make English fun and easy. Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Podcast for You. I'm your host, Maria, and today we're going on a real day-in-my-life adventure. We'll use everyday idioms, describe clothes in detail, practice long conversations about shopping, and end with a fun quiz to test your skills. Imagine you're there with me. Repeat phrases after me and pause to shadow my words. If I went shopping without trying things on first, I'd regret it. That's why we have fitting rooms. Let's get started. My day kicked off with breakfast at a charming restaurant. Kicked off means it started energetically. I went for fresh bread topped with pesto, a tasty tomato sauce blended with garlic, olive oil, and herbs. Then, layers of creamy mozzarella cheese melted right on top. Mozzarella. It's mild and stretchy, like string cheese, but softer. The bread was crusty outside, fluffy inside, and every bite was a flavor explosion. If you love Mediterranean food, you have to try this combo. While savoring my meal, I spotted two old women meeting at the next table. They looked about 70, with wrinkled smiles and stylish scarves. But they were gossiping like young girls, full of giggles and slang. One said, "Girl, you haven't changed a bit, still turning heads." The other laughed, "Stop it, you're the one slaying in that outfit." Slaying means looking amazing. It reminded me, you can stay youthful if you keep a fun spirit. What do you think? Do you chat like that with your friends? Energized by breakfast, I headed to the stores for essentials. A jacket, sweater, and jeans. I wanted layers for cooler days. In the first shop, I picked up medium sizes to try. Not small, because mediums often fit better for reference. But in the fitting room, I realized I needed bigger for that relaxed vibe. Here's the full step-by-step conversation with the assistant. Perfect for practice. Listen first, then rewind and repeat my lines. Imagine you're negotiating sizes. Excuse me? Hi. I grabbed a medium jacket, sweater, and jeans to try on. The medium jacket feels okay, but everything's a bit snug. Can you bring larger sizes? I prefer looser fits, like large or XL.
Hi, coming right over. Mediums can be tricky. They run small here. What's not working? Let me see.
The jacket's sleeves are tight when I move my arms. Same with the sweater. It hugs too much around the chest. And the jeans, the thighs feel squeezed. I don't want anything fitted. I like roomy clothes for comfort. Could I try large first?
Got it. You want relaxed, not snug. Here's a large navy jacket, waterproof with zip pockets. It's got more give in the shoulders. Pop it on and check the mirror. Better?
Much better. The large is comfy, but maybe XL for extra space? I layer sweaters underneath, so bigger is wiser. What about the sweater? Do you have XL in cream?
Yes. Oversized crewneck sweater in XL. Soft knit wool, perfect for layering. Feels the cuffs. They're stretchy. Too baggy now? Sometimes XL swamps petite frames.
No, I love baggy. It's cozy, like wearing a hug. Now jeans, large straight leg. I need a higher waist and wider legs, not skinny. Medium was way too narrow.
Straight leg in large, dark wash, stretch denim. Waist is 32 inches. Legs have room. Step out and walk. Does it drag on the floor? We can cuff or hem if needed.
Walking test passed, but let's try XL jeans too. If the large feels good, XL might be ideal for boots. Compare them side by side.
Smart idea. XL jeans here. Same style but looser through the hips and ankles. Put together the full outfit. XL jacket over XL sweater with large jeans. Or match everything XL.
Full XL set sounds perfect. The jacket zips smoothly over the sweater, jeans balance it out. Colors match too. Navy, cream, dark blue. You're a genius. What if I wear this hiking? Would it hold up?
Totally. Waterproof jacket, breathable sweater, durable jeans. Great for active days. Sizes confirmed. Bag them.
Yes, please. Thanks for the patience. You made choosing sizes easy. I almost stuck with medium.
Do you want paper bag?
Yes, please.
Total is $150. Cash or card?
Cash.
Here's your paper bag. Come back anytime. Happy shopping.
By the time I arrived home, the sky was already beginning to change color, and the day felt complete in a quiet, satisfying way. I put my bags down, changed into something comfortable, and allowed myself to slow down after being out all day. In the kitchen, I prepared dinner at an unhurried pace. We mean doing something slowly and calmly, without stress or pressure. Enjoying the familiar routine of washing vegetables, heating the pan, and letting soft music fill the space. Cooking helped me shift from the outside world into the calm of home. Later, I shared dinner with my husband, and we talked about our day in a relaxed, natural way. After eating, we spent the evening together watching TV, enjoying the comfort of simple moments, shared presents, and the peaceful rhythm of ending the day side by side. Now it's time to check your understanding with a short English quiz and practice writing in English. After each question, pause the audio and write your answer in the comments below. I won't give the answers here. I want you to think, write, and practice. I'll read your comments and reply personally. Ready? Let's begin. First, what does kicked off mean in my day kicked off with breakfast? Second, why did I switch from medium sizes in the fitting room? Third, what's a synonym for slaying from the old women's conversation? Fourth, write one phrase I used to ask for bigger sizes. Fifth, what was my breakfast food combination? Pause and write your answer in comments. Perfect! Now write all 5 answers in the comments right now. I'll read every single one and give you feedback. Which question was the hardest for you? Tell me below. That's my full day, packed with stories, vocabulary, and real-life English. Thanks for joining English Podcast for You. I'm Maria. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep listening, and don't forget to comment your quiz answers. Bye!